On behalf of all of us here at SOR, welcome to our presentation. We are very excited to once again have the opportunity to share something new with you today. In fact, it's actually two new products. Today we are announcing the introduction of two new mechanical level products. That would be the redesigned 1710 level switch and the all-new 2210 chambered level switch. Now, I'm sure many of you who are familiar with SOR are saying, but the 1710 isn't a new product. And that would be exactly right. The 1710 has actually been redesigned to address many of the requests our customers have had over the years about the old design. But this also gave us the opportunity to introduce a brand new product based on the same platform with some slight variations that position the 2210 perfectly for the power generation market. So to start off, let's look at an overview of what this introduction means for our customers. You could see from the pictures that we showed on the previous slides that they look very similar, and that's because both products share a common core design. Both are much more compact products than our standard line of mechanical level switches, and once again, this is something that we hear over and over again. Our customers consistently ask us to make our products smaller. Additionally, both benefit from an increased temperature range, and this allows one standard product to be used in more applications. For example, the standard A switch in both products is now rated from -40 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and that would be -40 to 427 degrees C. And this is another common request we get from our customers to make our products more universal so that they only have to stock one particular model rather than several to accommodate all their applications. We also increased the pressure rating. Standard pressure ratings are 1500 psi or 103 bar for the 1710 and 1435 psi or 99 bar for the 2210. Again, we're trying to make these products as widely applicable as possible. These two products do have their differences though, and that's due to the fact that they were really designed for different industries. The 1710 was focused on oil and gas applications, while the 2210 was really built around power generation. And you can see how their primary industries have helped make these two products unique from each other. First of all, they are different in their standard configurations. The 1710 is a direct mounted device, since that's more common in oil and gas and OEM applications. The 2210 is sold with the chamber as standard, and that's to cater to the power generation market. Second, their approvals are different. The 1710 has North American explosion-proof and ATEX IEC flame-proof approvals, while the 2210 does have North American approvals, but they are ordinary location approvals only. Beside the approvals, the housings are slightly different. The 1710 has a fully threaded cover to accommodate the explosion-proof listings, and the 2210 has our new and unique quick-release housing cover to make it easier to remove and replace the cover under full temperature conditions. And this also helps ensure that the threads are not damaged during routine servicing, as can be the case with the finer threads used in explosion-proof designs. Now, this may sound like a very simple thing, but we've put a lot of work and testing into the design of this housing to make sure that it remains easy to take on and off even under the highest temperature ranges. That's really about all for the differences, but before we let you go, there's just a few more details that we need to cover. So you may be asking yourself at this point, when would I use these products? Well, let's start with the 1710. The 1710 was designed for applications that need a microswitch-driven, compact, horizontally mounted level switch. For lower input power or DC applications, though, you might also consider using a 1510 instead. Both are great products, but some customers have a preference for a microswitch-based product with a terminal block, so for those customers we have the 1710. The 2210 was designed for maximum flexibility. It allows customers to more easily specify product because its specifications encompass the capabilities of many of our traditional products such as the 201, 203, and others. This means that instead of scouring the catalog for just the right combination of pressure, temperature, and specific gravity, The most economical choice for all but the highest or lowest of pressures is likely going to be the 2210. I think that just about covers it, but before we end, I just want to go over the highlights one more time. So for just a quick review, the 1710 has been redesigned to incorporate many new and often requested features, such as more global certifications, increased maximum temperature ratings, and an increased pressure rating. The 2210 is a chambered level switch that has been designed to give a wider temperature, pressure, and specific gravity capability, more than any other chambered level switch we have. This means it can be used in place of many other products that we or others offer and makes the selection process much easier. The 2210 also features the SOR quick release housing cover to simplify the process of installation and service. Both are available for immediate sale. Just contact your inside sales representative for details. And that just about covers it. Thank you once again for joining us. If you have any questions about the 1710, 2210, or any other SOR product, please contact your customer service representative. I look forward to many more of these introductions in the future, and thanks for joining us today.